sing with me. Let's name our fruits from A to Z. Bright and tasty, fresh and new. Learning's fun when it's me and you. A's for apple, shiny and red. Takes one bite, yum, you said. B's for banana, peel, don't slip. Sweet and soft with every sip. C is for cherry, twins on a tree. Little and round, they giggle with glee. D is for date, from the sand so dry. Sweet as honey, give it a try. E is for elderberry, tiny and deep. Hiding on bushes where songbirds sleep. F is for fig, purple and kind. Soft little seeds that you can find. G is for grape, hanging in line. Pick one, two, taste divine. H is for honeydew, green and bright. Cool as clouds on a summer night. I is for Indian fig, pink with cheer. Prickly skin, but sweet inside here. J is for jackfruit, big and bold. Full of gold, the branches hold. K is for kiwi, small but grand. Green is hard in all the land. L is for lemon, oh so sour. Makes your face twist, power hour. M is for mango, soft and gold. Stories of summer, it's always told. N is for nectarine, shiny and red. Juice on your smile and crumbs on your bed. O is for orange, round delight. Sunshine fruit, morning bright. P is for papaya, orange hue. Seeds like stars, waiting for you. Q is for quince, rare to see. Smells like flowers and honey bee. R is for raspberry, pink and sweet. Tiny drops that you can eat. S is for strawberry, heart-shaped cheer. A favorite fruit, far and near. T is for tangerine, tiny sun. Peel it open, fun, fun, fun. U is for ugly fruit, don't you frown. Wrinkly face, but taste wears a crown. V is for buvanga, fruit of surprise. Tropical twist with magic inside. W is for watermelon, stripes of green. Juicy dreams in every scene. X is for chigua, cousin so bright. Red inside, pure delight. Y is for yellow plum, golden shine. Soft as sugar, sweet as sunshine. Z is for zucchini, long and neat. Hidden fruit we sometimes eat.